Welcome to the MSI division of Texscan Corporation. MSI has been well known to the cable television industry as a manufacturer of program automation equipment for 18 years. In 1970, MSI pioneered the first color character generator for automated time, weather, and news channels. And it developed the first satellite-delivered computer graphics news system for AP News Plus. This has expanded into low-cost photo advertising systems for classified ads and commercial insertion. When MSI developed the Comserter videocassette commercial insertion system, it created a leap forward in technology required to do the job correctly. We used our experience in cable TV to design a complete automated system to closely fit our customers' needs. Our design has been so successful that in the first 3 years of production, 12 of the top 14 MSOs adopted it. The automatic insertion of local advertisements on satellite-delivered programs has become a major source of income for cable television systems. We would like to present the Comserter system for your consideration in developing or upgrading your own commercial insertion program. Before we delve more deeply into what makes Comserter such a strong choice, let's take a quick look at what a Comserter commercial insertion system does.
Hi, Ron.
This advertising manager of a cable system has just received a new sales order and spot tape to run during the local commercial breaks on satellite networks such as CNN, ESPN, USA, MTV, and others. The traffic manager receives the contract and enters it into the scheduling computer.
You bet, I'll get it right to you. Hi, Nick.
Hi, Sharon.
Here's that tape.
The tape is given to the video production manager to edit the spot into the master tape from which dubs will be made. MSI's traffic and billing software quickly schedules the order onto daily logs for the proper networks and head ends. The computer schedules each client's commercial in the exact time frame specified on the sales order and prevents similar products from running back to back. After the schedules have been prepared, the traffic manager easily transmits them directly to the individual Comserter controllers at the head end, whether it's in the same room or miles away. When a local avail queue signal is received from a satellite program, the Comserter controller pre-rolls the proper VCR and cleanly switches in the spots for that local advertising break. As each spot is aired, sensors verify that the spot is actually playing, checks it against the schedule, and logs the exact time for advertising management reports. A variety of documents can be easily generated from the traffic and billing computer. Just a few of the documents available are running status log of local or remote head ends, detailed or condensed affidavits, accounts receivable statements, aged trial balance reports, avails reports sorted by network and hour for any period of time in the future, sales projection reports for cash or trade broken down by salesperson or markets. As you can see, Comserter is a very complete commercial insertion system, but completeness is not everything. The principal reason for Comserter's popularity and durability is that it was designed with a specific strategy. This strategy goes beyond traditional cable commercial insertion systems. It's comprised of 3 essential elements: single channel integrity, systems flexibility, and professional broadcast television standards. Let's talk about what these elements of strategy mean to the operator. Single channel integrity means that each satellite channel stands completely alone in its operation without being affected by any other channel. Each channel has its own controller and its own VCRs. This is in contrast to those commercial insertion systems which attempt to economize by sharing common equipment for some or all channels, such as a common computer control system and a common set of VCRs. The benefits from single-channel integrity are many. First, if the computer controller or VCRs for any channel should fail, this will not shut down any other channels while waiting for repair. Second, Comserter will never miss a break just because too many satellite queues come down simultaneously. For example, all 10 of these satellite channels can schedule local breaks near the top of the hour. you can count on Comserter to take them all. Each channel is waiting with its own dedicated VCRs. This eliminates the need for embarrassing and costly make-goods due to step-ons. Third, single-channel integrity means a vastly increased inventory of spots for sale. Comserter systems can create entirely different spot tapes for each channel because VCRs are dedicated to specific channels. Commercial insertion systems which share VCRs among several channels must load all or most of them with the same tapes. Comserter's larger spot inventory means that potential spot sales are several times greater. Comserter does offer a compromise for operators who wish to share up to 4 VCRs on 2 channels, which have for the most part mutually exclusive break times, such as CNN and TNT. These benefits of single-channel integrity add up to substantially greater income potential for your commercial insertion program. The second element in design strategy for the operator is systems flexibility. This refers to easy expansion of the commercial insertion system or upgrading an entry-level system without throwing away its essential parts. There are 4 key elements of flexibility built into the Comserter system: a wide range of traffic and billing software, easy channel expansion, extensive networking capabilities, and all spot access modes. Entry-level software for Comserter systems begins with a simple terminal under $600, communicating with a powerful multitasking computer in each Comserter controller. The system is very easy to operate, yet powerful enough to allow traffic managers to program all channels weeks in advance. The terminal displays extensive status information about each channel, like menus and prompts for setting up channels and marking tapes, and diagnostic information for troubleshooting. For the operator who wishes to expand to more advanced traffic and billing systems, an IBM or compatible personal computer can be substituted for the standard terminal. Several levels of traffic and billing software programs permit the cable operator to tailor their commercial insertion operations all the way up to major metropolitan or even national networks. Comserters interface to MSI Comserter software as well as other cable traffic and billing packages on the market. Top-of-the-line software permits multiple input terminals for spreading the work of contract data entry, invoicing, and report generation over several simultaneously operating workstations. Channel expansion is easy. Just add Comserter controllers and VCRs. For example, this Comserter system in New York controls 13 channels of ad insertion with absolutely no conflicts for simultaneous break times. Comserter provides the opportunity to consolidate many CATV systems into an advertising network. A single computer station with Comserter software can easily control 20 or 30 head ends, all with their own individualized local spot schedules, reports, and invoices. Traffic managers have the flexibility to schedule spots by any access mode. Random sequential for single VCR channels, full random access for playing any spot at any time, and semi-random access for obtaining maximum run of schedule or fixed position spots with the least number of VCRs. Many special features were pioneered by Comserter to give your clients that broadcast look and sound. You've heard people say that all competing hardware does about the same thing. This is decidedly not so in the case of Comserter systems. To be sure, our hardware engineers have designed state-of-the-art broadcast-style video and audio switching, but they've added some extras. And our computer software lab has introduced many innovations which give your clients a better television image. For example, our programmable end-of-break software fills each break perfectly. It eliminates the problems of showing the tail end of the network spot after the completion of your local break. The system also prevents cutting off the tail end of your client's spot if the network switches back before your spot is finished. The feature of VCR time averaging automatically compensates for the thread-up time differences of the many VCRs in the system, even as they age. This routine ensures that each VCR parks at precisely the correct position for a perfectly timed switch to air. The time is near when local spots will be produced in full stereo. Cable television must be able to take advantage of this trend. Comserter will route stereo audio from both the satellite and the VCRs where stereo is present. A variety of fail-safe modes ensure that equipment failures will not disturb network programming. Comserter will even internally diagnose VCR problems and attempt to reset a failed VCR with no operator intervention. If a VCR has failed, Comserter will finish the break with the remaining machines. Tape marking software provides highly automated routines for precise switching of spots, and it eliminates cumulative tape transport errors. Spots can range from 5 seconds to the entire length of the tape. Many other important features are included in Comserter systems. Auxiliary audio and video input for such program sources as graphics generators and character generators. A preview output for testing VCRs and viewing tapes. A skip break control. Scramble control. Break in progress relay. External processor loop for time-based correctors. And a multitasking operating system. No purchase of commercial insertion equipment would be complete without a competent team of systems engineers to tailor the system to your needs. Troubleshooting facilities, efficient equipment repair, and training for technicians and operators. Every turnkey system is accompanied with detailed diagrams and installation and operating manuals. A team of specialists uses this documentation to professionally rack and pre-wire complete systems prior to shipping. When the equipment arrives at the customer's head end, experienced field technicians complete the installation and train the customer's personnel. Troubleshooting problems in the field are made easier by our customer service computers, which are capable of interrogating your system by modem, so that problems can be quickly diagnosed. Our training director provides complete hands-on learning sessions for all levels of operating software, and specialists are available by telephone to provide ongoing assistance. We hope that you have a better understanding now of commercial insertion and the way MSI and its Comserter system can help your program be a success. We look forward to hearing from you so that we can develop a quotation for your specific needs. Thank you.